Here we are out at the Global Family Farm, spring equinox. What better way to get ready for spring than to get ready to plant spring potatoes? Let me show you. So we've been putting the tarp on this one field. It gets the cover crop underneath the tarp, kills it because there's no sun, and then it makes a good compost. And then next week we're going to plant potatoes. And then over here, same thing with the carpet all the way around this plaza. This is in the South America section of our Global Family Farm. So that's where potatoes come from South America. So do tomatoes and corn and bean and squash and peppers. So we're getting ready for spring on the spring equinox. And another great spring crop is strawberries. So we're getting the weeds out. Thanks from Monica and Emily. So we're digging down, lifting that root mass up, and then getting the soil off. Good one! There, we got a pile. We can feed the pile of weeds to the animals. That's what they mentioned, feeding them to the chickens. And you have a tortoise.
Yeah.
And we could
used to have a chicken too.
And chickens. We got sheep way over there now too. All right, and then we're going to plant some strawberries. All right, that we have from a bare root, and then been potting up and put those in the ground. So we'll have a whole row of strawberries. You like strawberries, Emily?
Yep.
Everyone loves strawberries. Good. This is the peak of the season, you know, in springtime into the summer. All right, thanks Gina for getting some of the weeds down. And then we're going to plant. We got this teepee. We could do a bean teepee there. We have crops from the Americas, North, Central, and South America, all in this section. We're getting ready for spring. Come join us. We're here on Sunday mornings, our Global Family Farm, located in San Luis Obispo at City Farm Slow. And our neighboring farmer is getting ready for spring planting too after all these rains. Gets the tractor out here to get the ground ready, and he's been growing this set of row crops and then another set, and then keeps on going over there. Going to fill in this whole field with vegetables here at City Farm San Luis Obispo. The website is cityfarmslow.org, and the website for my Global Family Farm is ourglobalfamilyfarm.com. There's the chickens enjoying foraging about, and they got a new roost, a new house to lay their eggs in. So spring is here. Spring has sprung. It's our cover crop field right there at City Farms Slow. And we're starting to do rotational grazing with the sheep. They're going to eat down the cover crop. There's the little fenced in area right there. So we bring the sheep over, do bit by bit rotational grazing. Welcome. We are all part of one global family at our Global Family Village, our globalfamilyfarm.com. So keep on growing and keep on going. We're all in this together. We're all gonna make it.